A bird flew away from me today. I didn't question my intentions. I didn't wonder if I was a bad person. I just thought the bird is running its program. It doesn't know me. It's protecting itself. And then I thought, why don't I do that with people? We have this automatic understanding with animals. The bunny runs when you get close. The bird flies away. The cat scurries under the bed. And we don't take it personally. We don't spiral. We don't question whether we did something wrong or whether we're fundamentally bad. We just understand the animal is running a program. Protection, survival, fear of the unknown. It makes sense. We accept it completely. Someone pulls away, someone reacts badly, someone misreads your intention completely, and suddenly we take it personally. We question ourselves. We wonder what we did wrong. We adjust. We shrink. We try to manage how we come across so the bird doesn't fly away. Not because of you, because of its program. But the bird was always going to fly away. Not because of you, but because of its program. Humans are running programs the same way animals are. Fear programs, protection programs, survival programs built from years of experience that have nothing to do with you specifically. When someone reacts to you, they're usually reacting to their program, to what you represent to that program, to the threat the program has decided you might be. You could be the most harmless person in the world. The bird still flies. Do you get that? You could be a little innocent child that doesn't even know what harm is. And you approach a bird and it will fly away. Do you truly get that? You stop managing. You stop navigating around people's programs trying to get a different response. You just move through the world the way you move through the world, saying what you want to say, being what you are. And you let people's programs respond however they respond. The bird flies, that's the bird. You don't become less yourself because an animal got scared. Approach humans the way you approach animals, with genuine warmth, with no agenda, with the understanding that their reaction to you is mostly about their program, not you. The bird flew away. You're still you.